Jamaica's Kemba and Kevona qualify for 100-meter final at NCAA Outdoor Championships. Yesterday I posted a video where I spoke about some of Jamaica's top female collegiate athletes taking part in the NCAA Outdoor Championships in Eugene, Oregon this week. Today, I have an update on the performance of two of these ladies in the 100-meter dash event. Both have made it to the final of the event, which is scheduled for Saturday, June 11th. Let's begin with the 2021 NCAA Indoor 60-meter champion, Kemba Nelson. Kemba, representing the University of Oregon, competed in semifinal 3 of the women's 100-meter dash, winning that semi with a scorching time of 10.97 seconds, running into a positive 0.4 meter per second wind. The time representing a brand spanking new personal best for her at this distance. Favor of Philly of LSU was second in that race with a time of 11.07 seconds. Third place went to Joella Lloyd of Tennessee in 11.08 seconds, also a personal best for the Tennessee athlete. Jamaica's Kevona Davis, who competes for the University of Texas, was third in semifinal 2 of the 100 meters with a time of 11.11 seconds. The very impressive Abby Steiner of Kentucky was the winner of this semi, continuing her phenomenal run of performances with a blazing new personal best time of 10.90 seconds in a positive 1.0 meters per second wind, with Rosemary Chukwuma of Texas Tech finishing second, also with a personal best time of 10.99 seconds. In semifinal 1, Julian Alfred, also of the University of Texas, set the pace for Abby Steiner to follow when she flew down the track to record a time of 10.90 seconds in a positive 0.6 meters per second wind to take semifinal 1. Notably, this did not represent a personal best for the athlete, as she does have an amazing time of 10.81 seconds on the books, set just last month in Lubbock, Texas. Melissa Jefferson of Coastal Carolina took second place to Julian in that semi with a time of 10.96 seconds, while Grace Nkocha of North Carolina A&T finished just a breath behind her for third place in 10.97 seconds. Great performances from all of the women mentioned here, as they have all qualified for the final of the 100-meter dash event, which is scheduled to take place on Saturday, June 11th at 3:22 p.m. Of note, the two Jamaicans and Julian Alfred of St. Lucia have posted the fastest times of all the finalists for this upcoming event on Saturday, but unfortunately, all 3 times were deemed not to be wind legal. Julian posted a 10.80 second time in Texas on May the 15th in a positive 2.4 meters per second wind. Kevona posted 10.83 to take second place in the very same race, while Kemba Nelson posted 10.85 in Arizona on May 28th in a positive 2.6 meter per second wind to take second place in that event. Should be interesting to see who takes the win on Saturday in this one, and I'm hoping the Jamaicans give a good showing as they continue to prepare for national trials later this month.